And now our science lady, Peggy Drake, is going to show us one of our experiments from August called Walking Water. Bye.
Okay, what I'm going to show you today is the walking water science experiment. That we need are some kind of clear cup. This one's a small one, and this one will work. A larger one will be fine, but it needs to be clear so that the kids can see the color through it. We need some food coloring and water. And we need some paper towel strips. These should be filled pretty close to the top. They work better if they have more water in them, and how about yellow? Blue and yellow, doesn't matter. I mean, the richer the color though, the faster it works. So I'm gonna drop in about 10 drops of the blue in 1 cup yet. Okay, so then you can talk to the kids about blue and yellow. What do they think that's going to make? What colors does it make? And then you're going to take the paper towel and you can talk about absorption. And I got it on my fingers. You can talk about absorption. I twist it just because, but twisting is not necessary. And then you're going to put it in the cups from the yellow to the plain and from the blue in, and you'll see that it very quickly absorbs and starts moving on the paper towel. Same with the yellow. And the kids can be noticing this, noticing absorption. It takes about 5 minutes. There is a recording sheet available that is in the resource center so that the kids can record the findings of actually what happened. It's important for scientists to collect their data. So we'll wait for about 5 minutes and see what happens, and I'll be back. Hi, hasn't even been 5 minutes and already we're getting green. And the longer it sits, the deeper the color will be. I wanted to expand this experiment and show you something. Okay, so here's our ones that have blue and yellow. So I'm going to take another small cup of water, red, and I'm going to put red in this far one. This middle one has got a little bit of water. This is going to be our secondary color. The cups in the middle are our secondary color. So I'm going to drop a whole bunch of red in here, and then I'm going to put another one here and take this and kind of give it a little bit of a twist so that it fits in the water, and then it's going to go from the yellow into the water so that we can see what happens with yellow and red. So I'll put a bunch of red in there and get my red. And then in the meantime, while I'm doing this, I'll switch the camera back over to our red and yellow. See what's happening over there, and then it goes like this from the blue in here. And then you can have all your primary and second primary colors mixing together to make secondary colors. It's a pretty cool experiment. I know your kids are going to have a lot of fun. Party on, Seasters!